Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for BMO retirement accounts. Managing your retirement savings effectively is crucial for a secure financial future. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you make the most of your BMO retirement account. Firstly, it is essential to understand the different types of retirement accounts offered by BMO, including registered retirement savings plans and registered retirement income funds. Each type of account has its own set of rules and benefits, so it is crucial to choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected your account type, the next step is to contribute regularly. Consistent contributions will help your savings grow over time, and taking advantage of tax benefits can also maximize your returns. For example, contributing to a registered retirement savings plan can reduce your taxable income, while a tax-free savings account can provide tax-free growth and withdrawals. Diversification is another crucial aspect of managing your BMO retirement account. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, can help minimize risk and increase potential returns. It is also important to reassess your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your retirement goals. In addition to contributing regularly and diversifying your portfolio, it is also essential to keep fees and charges in check. High fees can eat into your returns, so it is crucial to choose low-cost investment options and avoid unnecessary charges. For instance, index funds and exchange-traded funds often have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Finally, it is vital to have a clear understanding of your retirement goals and develop a strategy to achieve them. This includes estimating your retirement expenses, determining your required income, and creating a sustainable withdrawal plan. By following these best practices and staying informed, you can make the most of your BMO retirement account and enjoy a secure and comfortable retirement. In conclusion, managing your BMO retirement account effectively requires a combination of regular contributions, diversification, low fees, and a clear understanding of your retirement goals. By following these best practices and staying committed to your strategy, you can build a secure financial future and achieve your retirement objectives.